let's see how to set up Java in Visual Studio Code. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! Alright, the first step would be to go to Google and search for code.visualstudio.com/download. And here we'll download VS Code for our operating system, in case we don't have it installed. Now, on the same website, we'll click on Java, and then click on Getting Started. And here we choose our operating system, in my case, Windows, and install it normally. Alright, now we'll create a folder on the desktop for our Java project. We'll drag it into VS Code, click here to create a new file, and we'll create the Java file. Now we'll go to Extensions and search for Code Runner and install it. Alright, here I have some random code, and to run it, we'll click here. And that's it. That was everything, guys.